Hello everyone. I thought I'd make a little video today about pendulums and how I use them, because a lot of the time when I pull them out in front of a client, they I'm often reminded of that old wives' tale, that thing that people do where they're trying to guess whether a baby is a girl or a boy when the mummy's pregnant with the needle, and they dangle it over the belly. And that's quite a fun, old wives' tale, old wives' trick that's been going for years and years and years, because I think pendulums are something that is so simple that they've been used forever by people all over the world. This is what I'm talking about when I'm talking about a pendulum. Typically you see these sometimes in spiritual shops and crystal shops and that sort of thing. It's a chain with typically a crystal on the end of it, and let me just show you a bit about what I do with it. So I use pendulums when I need more information about cards, and I use them if I need to answer yes/no questions. They're generally really, oh look, it's already going. They're generally really useful for simple stuff. You can do complicated stuff with pendulums. You can get pendulum mats and use them to do more complicated things, but in my experience I like to keep things fairly simple. So mine I use generally for yes/no answers, and this is how I do it. First of all, I dangle the pendulum over my hand and then I ask it to show me yes. So can you show me yes, please? Yes. That's great. Thank you. And can you see the pendulum is going forward and back? That is the yes that my pendulum is giving me today. Okay, thank you. Stop. Stop, please. Thank you. Can you show me no? Show me no. That's it. And can you see my pendulum is going side to side? Side to side is this pendulum's version of no today. Okay, stop. Thank you. Stop. Stop. Thank you very much. And can you show me maybe? Show me maybe. Come on. Show me maybe, please. Show me maybe. Show me maybe. Here we go. Thank you. Showing me maybe. Not sure how clear it is on the video, but my pendulum is going around in a circle now. And that is showing me the maybe sign. Thank you. Stop. Stop. Thank you. So what I do is I check what the pendulum wants to use as a yes, no and maybe sign, that's the word, sign, before I start using it, just in case they've changed or just in case the pendulum's going to do something different today. Typically that's the pattern I tend to get, but everybody's might be different and different pendulums might do different things. So then if I had a question, I would just, once I'd established what yes, no and maybe was, I'd ask the question and then it would answer me. So, is my name Cassandra? Is my name Cassandra? Is my name Cassandra? And there we go, you can see the pendulum swings back and forth and says yes. Fairly obvious question. My crystal's probably laughing at me right now. The useful thing about them is they're really simple, they're really easy. You can have a go at it. As you can see, it's quite a simple thing to try at home. You don't need a posh crystal one, don't get me wrong. I love a beautiful crystal as much as the next lady. But if you can't lay your hands on a crystal, you can use a necklace or anything that dangles, really. This is a hagstone. Can you see it's a hole that's got a lovely, it's a rock that's got a hole all the way through it. And you could just tie that on a bit of string and dangle it, anything that dangles really. In fact, I'm going to illustrate this point rather beautifully with a homemade Christmas decoration that my daughter made. Here we go. This will work perfectly as a pendulum because it's all about your intention and your energy, not necessarily the object. So, here we go. Let me show you. Can you please be my pendulum and show me yes? Thank you. Forward and back. That's it. Thank you. And can you show me no, please? Show me no. Thank you. That's it. Thank you. You can stop, please. Thank you. And can you show me maybe? Show me maybe, please. There we go. And then we've got it round in our little circle. So as you can see, anything will work if it dangles. Now, depending on what you believe in, how that's moving, who knows. Micro movements in my muscles moving the pendulum? Yes, probably. but I'm not consciously deciding whether it's a yes or no answer to the question. Sometimes I hear the yes or no in my head as the pendulum starts moving as well. So in theory it could be me, but what I'm not consciously doing is selecting what way the pendulum's going to go. And you may find that your pendulum surprises you, as mine often does, if I'm asking it a yes-no question. I hope you find that useful and interesting. Let me know if you give it a bash and let me know what you think.